Hey everyone, it's Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. Thanks for dropping by. I'm making lots of DIY projects and they are budget friendly, so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, and in today's video, I am doing a collaboration with these beautiful and talented ladies. We are all doing videos showing how to make boho decor using trash and Dollar Tree materials. You can check out their channels in the description box below after watching my video. Yeah, so let's get started. For my first DIY, I will make a toilet paper holder. It's an anthropology inspired. And I start with an oatmeal container and skewers that I got from Dollar Tree. I measure and mark 1 inch from the top of the oatmeal container. Then I did the same thing to the bottom of the container. And I also use X-Acto knife and a scissors to cut along the lines. After cutting the container, I also cut the skewers 15 inches long, then 16 pieces. I use hot glue to attach the skewers to the inside of the bottom piece. There's no measurements on the spacing. I just eyeballed it. And then I also put the toilet paper roll inside to make sure that it will fit the project. I attach all the skewers, then I grab the other ring and cut the plastic around the top piece. I did that to fit the toilet paper. Then I use hot glue to attach this piece on the other end of the skewers. Shout out to one of my subscriber. Her name is Ashley Wells. She's been waiting for my boho decor DIY. And yeah, hi Ashley, thanks for your support. Here's your boho DIY and yeah, I hope you will enjoy. Then after hot gluing all the skewers, I tried to put the paper towel roll and it fit. My inspiration doesn't have beads, but I tried to put some beads to cover up the top of the skewers and I think it's a good touch. I also add beads at the bottom part of the project and then I brought out the long dowel that I've got from Joanns. I attach it to the side with hot glue. I cut 19 inches long and then I cut the remaining dowel that will fit the toilet paper roll. Then I hammer a nail half through it. Then after that, I hammered the nail through the small dowel into the top of the long dowel. And guys, if you want to see more boho decor or any house theme, just let me know on the comment below. I will try to do it. Then it's time to paint it with the Rustoleum metallic gold that I've got from Walmart. I just give it 2 coats and then I let it dry. Then here you go. This is how it looks with the toilet paper and it's really functional. You can use it as the storage of your toilet paper and you can roll the toilet paper on it too. It's easy. So yeah, so let's proceed to DIY number 2. For my next DIY, it's very easy and fast. I will use the rest of the oatmeal container which I cut into 3 1-inch rings. I use hot glue to attach the 3 rings together to make a spear. Then I take it outside and spray paint it with the same spray paint. then here's how it looks, all done. I told you it's very easy. And let's proceed to DIY number 3. I will use a plain glass vase that I've got from Dollar Tree and some artificial Monstera leaf that I had left over from my daughter's birthday party last year. First, I take outside the Monstera leaf and spray paint with the gold, then let it dry. Back inside, I put some masking tape around the vase because I will paint it. But first, I use Waverly chalk paint and I let it dry, and then I paint over the top of the white gold. Then I remove the masking tape. I can actually bring this out and spray painted it, but when I'm doing this, it's already nighttime, so I just use my acrylic paint. I really had a hard time doing it. I did 5 coats and until it's done and it looks like this. The leaf is a bit large, so I just trim the sides of the leaf, and then after that I draw some details for the Monstera leaf. Here, if you have a nice acrylic paint, you can just paint the lines that we draw earlier. But for me, it doesn't pop out. My acrylic paint doesn't pop out, so I just improvise it. I cut some small piece masking tape and painted it with the acrylic paint gold so that it will pop. Then I glued it onto the leaf on top of the veins. The long piece up the middle should be on top of the other ones. Then I use hot glue to attach the leaf to the vase, and I pinch the leaf on the vase to give it more like dimension, I guess, but- so that it doesn't look like it's a perfect line. Yeah, and it looks good. Not really. I'm not happy with the bottom part, so I went out in the dark, spray painting the bottom part with the spray paint that I used with the leaf earlier. And then, yeah, I went back outside to check if I did the wrong or the correct thing. And then I did, but there's still paint that's sticking out, so I use a dowel to remove it, and it's so easy to remove. Then, voila, this is how it looks, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Yeah. For my last DIY, I used a small mirror that I got from Dollar Tree and used hot glue to attach 4 small skewers. The size is like 8 inches long, and then I made a pyramid shape. just let the hot glue to be dried. Then I had this wire cane that I had on hand from Dollar Tree, left over from Christmas, and cut out a couple pieces to make a moon shape. Then I secured the ends of the moon with the twine. If you have wire, you can also use that. This is the only thing that I have, so this is what I'm using. It's not really the best because the studs is sticking out and it's not neat. So if you have wire, you can use that, and I think it's more lighter. But this one, it's also lighter, and I did not get any problem. Then after that, I just hot glued the moon shape that I made. Then I went outside and spray painted it with the Rustoleum gold paint, and then voila, this is how it looks like. And then to attach it on the mirror, I used the E6000 and hot glue. And I clean the excess glue, and you can put your succulent plant or even your candle. I love putting this candle that I have, that I got from Dollar Tree, and I think it's so pretty. Then voila, this is how it turned out. I really love it. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. Please visit my friends' channel. They have something for you, and yeah, for sure you're gonna enjoy it. See you on my next DIY, guys. Bye bye. Take care.